How to enable Google Discover in mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can enable Google Discover in your mobile device. For this, you want to launch open settings on your device. Now you want to scroll down and find the option of home screen. Once you tap on this option, scroll down and find the Google Discover option. So here on my device, it says Google Discover, which allows you to add media page to home screen. If you want to enable this option, go ahead and toggle this option on. As soon as you toggle this option on, Google Discover will be successfully enabled on your device. Now, this setting is different in different devices. So if you do not find this under home screen, one very easy way is simply head over to your settings, tap on this search icon, then you directly want to search for Discover or Google Discover. Then out of the search results, you're going to find the Google Discover option. So you can simply tap on that option, which will directly take you to that settings. Then you want to toggle on the option of Google Discover. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.